All right, let's dive right into tackling a massive headache for enterprise asset management teams today, resolving Maximo integration errors, and doing it fast.
If you are on a Maximo integration team, I bet you've experienced this. You check your message tracking, and boom, a totally generic, bad request error. And you're just left sitting there completely stuck. Trust me, you are definitely not alone here.
So here is the blind spot. Maximo's HTTP handler is only going to log that generic 400 error. Meanwhile, the actual detailed error from the external system is completely missing. And crazy enough, this is actually expected product behavior. Now, you can totally go vote on IBM IDEA MASM I1856 to try and get that changed, but what do we do right now to actually fix the problem? Well, you've got two highly practical paths here. Step one, just ask your middleware team, your MuleSoft, Azure APIM, or SAP partners. They almost always have the full error logged on their end. Or step two, if you happen to be in a non-prod environment, just replicate the issue with the integration logger actually enabled. Because once you flip that logger on, you get the real story. Instead of just bad request, you might see something like expecting array or object but got null. And boom, instantly you know it's just a payload mapping issue in the published channel. It's not a Maximo HTTP failure at all.
So why does this matter? Well, knowing exactly where to look completely stops that endless blame game between ETM and middleware teams. You literally stop wasting days chasing ghosts, you uncover these super simple 30-minute fixes, and most importantly, you keep your go-live timelines perfectly on track. Look, if your team is constantly wrestling with these integration issues that look like Maximo problems but just never seem to resolve, you really need to partner with Values Tech. They bring this exact kind of layered diagnostic thinking to really complex integrations across the utilities, water, and energy sectors. So ask yourself, what could your operations actually achieve if you finally resolve those lingering Maximo problems once and for all?